Sing it in Croatian. And given my extensive knowledge of the Croatian language, I'm going to pre-translate it. So this is a song about a bloke. He wakes up in the morning and he says, after a good fuck, I feel as hungry as a horse. And sorry,
a beast.
Hungry as a beast, right? So he goes to the refrigerator. He looks in there and he finds in there eggs and salt, butter and salami. Now, alarmingly, on the salami he finds a bug. There's a cockroach on the salami.
Oh no.
And so he thinks, okay, no problem. So he goes and gets his size 42 boot. And he comes out and he basically castrates it. And I'm sure this is the translation. He castrates it with his boot.
It is.
Oh.
Right, so one fucked up cockroach, right? And so what he does then is what you always do when you kill a cockroach. He wraps it in toilet paper. Alright? He flushes it down the toilet and he breathes a sigh of relief. Now everything would be fine, except when he glances up at the ceiling, he sees no less than 14 cockroaches crawling on the ceiling. So, plastic cockroaches, courtesy of Tommy. Why he had a bag of plastic cockroaches, I do not know. So our Croatian punk rocking, shagging like kind of bloke has a problem. So he thinks, what am I going to do? He needs an extreme measure. So he turns the gas on, locks all the doors, and then, just to be on the safe side, he goes outside, he gets a can of petrol, sloshes it all over the house, takes out his lighter and sets fire to the whole shebang. Right? Thank God, cockroach is gone, problem solved. So he takes a step back, breathes a sigh of relief, gets his cigarettes out of his pocket, puts one in his mouth, gets his lighter out, and what is there on the lighter? What is there on the lighter? There's a fucking cockroach. Right? And so he throws his hands up in horror and goes, "Ah!" So there we go, that's my sublime translation of this traditional Croatian folk song.
Now do it in Nihongo.
What happened to the salami?
Yeah, right.
The salami, I think, was inflamed by the fire.
Well, I think the cockroach survived and he died. The guy died.
Oh.
And there's